Welcome to episode 4 of Released Outdoors, Sounds of Spring. On this episode we're going to go on 2 different hunts. One with me and Hank as we hunt a Morgan County gobbler. The second hunt is with my dad and my Uncle Jay as they chase a Wilkes County gobbler and end up being pretty successful. So stay tuned and check out the episode and see how it ends. This morning we're heading over to Morgan County. We're gonna hunt with Hank this morning. Huck and Hank had a bird show up last night on their trail cameras, so he hung out over there till around 4 o'clock, so we're hopeful that he's still over there this morning or close by, and we're able to call him in and hopefully have some good luck this morning. So hang tight, and next time we'll see you, we'll be at the club in Morgan County. Just got set up here in the Morgan County Club. It's about 6:10. Get down in here pretty early, hopefully get in here on this bird's bedroom. We'll let the birds wake up, hopefully be set up close to this gobbler. It's about 6:20 and this bird has gobbled twice. He was back behind us a little bit, so we made him move. We're trying to pinpoint him right now, so hang tight. It's now about 7:30. We've done some calling. He shut up about 7 o'clock. He finally flew off his roost. And he gobbled twice off the roost, but he hasn't gobbled since. I think he's on the neighboring property, so I'm just gonna sit here and kind of wait him out for a little bit, see if he starts gobbling again. Earlier this morning we set up in these pines back here at about 7:45, 7:50. Birds started gobbling down in this area, so we made a pretty aggressive move and cut across this field trying to cut him off, and we got down here and he didn't gobble anymore, so he must have seen us. But we're gonna go set up for a little while and just see if he starts to gobble again. Well, we made our way back up to these pines. As soon as we got to the edge of the pines, a turkey hammered out in this field over here. So we made our way closer to the field, and as soon as I got about 20 yards from the field, I looked down and I could see a body of a turkey standing on a log. So we sat there and watched him for a little bit. Then he moseyed on along. So we had a good morning. We heard turkeys, we saw turkeys, so you can't complain about that. We'll be back down at the farm tomorrow morning and hopefully have some good luck down there.
Huh? You got one. You got one. Yeah. I just hope you shot the right one. If you shot at Jake, huh?
The strutter was the second one.
Well, you got one of them.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he's laying right there. He's right there.
That's how I didn't shoot it yet.
Huh?
That's how I didn't shoot it yet.
You shot at Jake.
Certainly did.
Did you? Happy birthday.
He's a big bird.
Huh?
He's a big bird. His beard just broke off.
Oh, he is a big bird?
He was the strutter. That other one was a big bird right there too, though.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
That's a birthday bird. Nice. For Jake.
I saw that beard. I was like, because I couldn't see his hooks. Good morning. It's April 17th, 1991.
Wait, did he just say 1991? Think he's a little shook up after his turkey today?
No. Take two.
Take two.
He's all flustered.
I always watch these on TV, but how dumb can these people be? It's April 17th, 2019,
19.
I guess it is. A birthday bird. I'm 57 years old today. I'd like to thank my brother-in-law Philip coming with me today and working a bird. We worked this bird yesterday and just weren't able to close the deal, and got on him this morning, and he was alone, and then two other toms came in and they finally made their way up the hill toward us, and I saw the strutter as the second bird, and I waited for him to step into an opening, and when I shot, actually another bird flew from right in the spot, or jumped and then flew from right in the spot that I had shot, and I thought for sure I'd missed it. So when Justin gets the video, he's probably going to have to do a little bit of editing on the sound, but I'm terribly proud of this bird. It's been 2 years since I've killed one. I didn't get a bird last year, and it was probably the first year that I'd hunted since my first year hunting that I hadn't killed a bird. So blessed to be here, blessed to have good friends. I thank God for everything. So thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Well, as you can see, April 17th treated us well. Hank and I saw Jake, but just weren't able to get with a big bird. Jay was able to get a birthday gobbler, so congratulations, Jay. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Released Outdoors by 4 Thumbs Up Hunting Productions, and stay tuned for episode 5 as we chase a Crawfordville gobbler.